Alright, we have that preheated. This is the air fryer. This is Colin, my grandson. Say hi, everybody.
Hi.
What are we going to make today? Chicken
tenders.
Tenders in the air fryer. You never used an air fryer, did you?
No.
This is the first time. And you know it's hot. And I have it warmed up already because we got to preheat it, it's called. Into your water. I'm going to open this. I should put
What do they like heat up the bowl for?
We'll heat it up so it's hot.
But how? Why did the bowl like come out?
It comes out so we can put the stuff. Don't touch inside of there.
Okay.
Look at these. These are from Wegmans. You like these too, huh? We already had our Easter meal, so we're pretty full, but we want a snack. And Colin's sister Adrian is over there playing with a fire station. Adrian, want to be on TV?
Yeah.
Come and say hi.
Come and stay in the kitchen. Okay. In the kitchen.
Here you go. Here she comes.
Do you like these chicken?
No.
Look at her.
Sissy.
Look how pretty she is.
Sissy.
Hello. Say hi.
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 Happy Easter. Okay. Let's go, Colin. Let's put these in here. You want to just drop them in like this?
Can I drop one
But
in?
don't touch the metal part because it's hot. Yeah, drop them in. But if you touch any part of that, you're going to burn yourself.
Okay.
There.
Let's
Ooh.
put all of them in.
Should we put it all in?
Yeah. Whoa.
Alright, we'll just shake them around. And these are going to go for 360 degrees for 15 minutes.
Okay, now.
Right.
Look how much that is.
Just throw it in.
You could say they're already cooked, but they're going to be
pre-cooked,
warmed
And
up.
we're going to make them crunchy. Let's get this going. This is a Kasori air fryer. In case you didn't know. 360, 15 minutes, see? First play right there. See the arrow? Go ahead, you do it. Right there.
That one?
Yeah, there, that's all you gotta do. Watch. Okay.
Why do you gonna have to put your finger next to it? You don't have to press it.
It's like a touch screen. Pretty neat, huh? So, did you have fun for Easter?
Yeah.
Do you want to say hi to anybody?
Hi.
Pop, Pop,
Yeah.
Nanny, Grandpa,
Mhm.
Mommy, Daddy,
Mhm.
Sister, Brother, huh? Aunts and uncles, Easter Bunny. You have ventriloquist? Alright, we'll be back in 15 minutes, right? And we're going to taste them,
Yeah.
right? Good job.
No. My mommy.
Okay.
Baby shark.
Hi, Colin. How are you? Here, you want one?
Yeah.
Know what these are?
What?
They're so you don't burn your hand. Talk to me like a puppet. Happy Easter, Colin.
Happy Easter!
Here, put this on too.
Okay.
And we're going to open this and we're going to shake it because it's more than halfway.
Okay.
Oh, look at him. Can you help? Look at him.
Whoa.
Look.
Whoa.
Oh, they're going to be good and crunchy.
What's happening,
Put it back
Colin? Is it turning brown
Put it
yet?
back in, it'll start up by itself. Push it in.
Yeah.
There, watch.
There.
6 minutes. All right.
All right.
Aren't they neat? That's so you don't burn your, enjoy your arms. Your sister's playing with your firehouse. We're having fun. Are you having fun today?
Okay, Jane.
All right, be back in.
Some
5.5 minutes.
After I get some.
We're going to take the temperature. We want that to be 165. Put that in there. What's that number? What's it say? Oh, 190. 192.
All right, sounds
good.
good.
Want to take them out and put them on the plate?
I like your shirt. Do you want to show them your shirt?
Okay.
Here. Now remember not to touch the edge of that.
Wait. I think I need
There.
my gloves.
Yep.
Yeah.
Where are they? Where are the gloves? Gloves!
Yeah, but then you might not be able to work the tongs.
Yes, I can.
Okay. Here. You want both?
Okay. I
Just
can't
get a
hold
couple.
them.
We're gonna taste a couple, right? Here. Oh, we'll get one for you, one for me. What do you like?
And one for Sissy.
Yeah.
If
Do you
want
like mustard or dip or?
I like
ranch or blue cheese.
I like
Oh, look at
ketchup.
those.
Ketchup.
Oh,
That's
ketchup.
And I did
That's pretty good.
cream and said he wants some.
Okay, we gotta have them cool though, because they're 180 degrees. Here we go.
Whee!
It's a little warm, but the ketchup will cool it down, right? You want to use a fork or your fingers?
Fingers.
Look what I got.
What?
Dill ranch.
What?
There you go. Pick one. Air fried chicken strips made by Colin
Yeah.
and Happy Adrian.
No,
You
Bernie! Bernie!
Is it still hot?
Yeah.
I'm gonna taste one. Look. Stick it in the ketchup and it'll cool it. Watch.
Okay.
Put that in.
I
Oh, the whole thing.
can.
Does Adrian like ketchup?
No.
You just want a piece of plain?
No.
Ooh, does she like these at all? No. Okay. Adrian don't like them. Ready? Let's blow on it too. Take a little bite. Mmm. Mmm. Mmm.
Mm.
You like them?
Mm-hmm.
Want a bite?
No.
Okay. That's okay. Wow, this is good. Dill ranch. You want to try that flavor right there?
No.
Try it with your finger.
No.
Thanks for helping me make these.
You're welcome.
You want to say Happy Easter to everybody again?
Happy Easter. This is burning.
Yeah, it is.
And I don't want to touch a part.
That's my problem. I can never wait to let it cool.
I'm not wetted on that chair. No. Hi, Mommy. Hi, Papa.
Oh, hi, Pop. Hi, Nene.
And what is that, like, camera? Like, what is that circle thing right there? In the living room. That circle thing next to the
Oh, that's my
window.
speaker.
Oh.
Yeah, with the white.
Mhm.
That's my speakers.
No. Not that. Like, that circle thing up on the wall.
Oh, that's a camera.
Oh.
Security camera.
Oh.
It's hidden. All right. Thanks for watching, everybody. Thanks for seeing Colin and Adrian on Easter.
No.
They wanted to be on.
No, go home.
No? Okay. Well, we're saying goodbye to people. Say bye-bye, everybody. You can stay. Isn't she pretty?
No.
What do we do when we say goodbye? Use a napkin.
Mhm.
And then what? You got ketchup on your face. You should wipe it off with a napkin. And then what? Bye, everybody. Love you. I'm going to eat all these up. You should taste this.